Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best kitchen cabinet degreaser is Goo Gone Kitchen Degreaser. The Goo Gone Kitchen Degreaser is an exceptionally powerful cleaner. It's great for several surfaces, including countertops, stovetops, range hoods, dishware, oven interiors and more. Goo Gone is a foaming cleaner. For the toughest stains, let it sit for a few minutes, then simply wipe and you're done. It's non-abrasive, so you won't have to worry about any exterior damage to your cleaning surfaces. Cleans counters fast-working formula that won't harm your counter. Foaming formula great for use on counters, stoves, rang hoods, pots, pans and more. Oil and baked on greasy food fast. Grease-cutting foam clings to both vertical and horizontal surfaces. Biodegradable formula won't harm surfaces. Use on a wide variety of kitchen appliances, surfaces and cookware. Trigger enables. Cuts grease, oil and baked on greasy food fast. Grease-cutting foam clings to both vertical and horizontal surfaces. Biodegradable formula won't harm surfaces. Use on a wide variety of kitchen appliances, surfaces and cookware. Trigger enables. Number 2 in our side is Spray 9 Kitchen Cleaner and Disinfectant. The Spray 9 Kitchen Degreaser doubles as a cleaner and disinfectant to make cleaning quick and easy. This heavy-duty degreaser isn't just for your kitchen. You can also use it to clean tools, car tires, showers, sinks, and many other areas of the home. Permatex Spray 9 Multi-Purpose Cleaner and Disinfectant is a professional strength cleaner or disinfectant to power off tough soils fast. Only one product necessary to effectively clean, degrease, disinfect, remove stains, control mold and mildew, and deodorize. Efficiently disinfects, killing bacteria and viruses in just 45 seconds. Suggested applications include equipment, tools, tires, vinyl and concrete floors, vinyl, stainless steel, painted metal, fiberglass, chrome, engines, plastic, enamel, rubber, walls and ceilings, concrete, sinks, toilet exteriors, showers or bathtubs and more. Let's watch more.
Spray 9 Heavy Duty tackles the toughest grease, grime, stains, and bacteria where others fail. Because you want your heavy-duty cleaner to be as tough as you are. Pro mechanics and weekend warriors rely on Spray 9 for the same reason. It cleans and degreases any mess it meets.
I want my heavy-duty cleaner to be as tough as I am, which is why I use Spray 9 on everything, from tools to new tires and messy interiors.
Spray 9, because you've got bigger things to worry about than whether you spilled some oil on the floor.
I like getting my hands dirty, and I'm not a fan of cleaning and prepping to go. Great Outdoors isn't about work, it's about play.
Spray 9's tough enough for all outdoor cleaning challenges. It obliterates the toughest stains, grease, grime, and bacteria in seconds.
I'd much rather ride than clean.
Spray 9, because the great outdoors is waiting for you.
All right, we're not home repair experts, but we're a lot tougher than we look. We just need a little help when it comes to the small and sometimes big messes around our house.
Spray 9 conquers household messes with maximum results and minimal effort.
Spray 9 makes us both fighters in grime.
When you need just one cleaner that's tough enough to do it all, Spray 9 Heavy Duty is your triple threat. Whether you're cleaning around the house, wiping the interior or exterior of your car, or getting your boat ready for the season, Spray 9 slices through the toughest grime without bleach or corrosive chemicals. It's professional strength and EPA approved. Spray 9 is the heavy-duty cleaner, degreaser, and disinfectant that's as tough as you are.
Third in our best kitchen cabinet degreaser list is Green Gobbler All Natural Cleaner. The Green Gobbler All-Natural Cleaner is a streak-free degreaser that you can use on any surface in your home. It has a pleasant citrus smell that will leave your kitchen smelling fresh. This product comes with a bottle of concentrated cleaner that you can use to make 20 bottles. That's enough for months or even years of use. All-natural cleaner that smells great by giving off a very pleasant fresh orange citrus scent that fills up your entire home. No synthetic dyes or fragrances are used in our product. All of the cleaning and deodorizing properties come directly from the peels of oranges. Literally thousands of uses. Orange oil cleaners are extremely versatile and can practically be used on any surface to clean or remove virtually any soils. Some of the many surfaces include metal, glass, marble, granite, porcelain, tile, brick, concrete, stucco, rubber, plastic, PVC, stainless steel, chrome, vinyl and more. Extremely powerful degreasing and cleaning due to the natural solvent. This product will remove all types of dirt, grease, oil, food, odors, ink, glue, crayon, soap scum and much more. Non-streaking and leaves no residue. Let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Easy Off Kitchen Degreaser. The Easy Off Kitchen Degreaser is fantastic at removing tough grease from your stove or microwave. You can also try it out on your backsplash, countertops, or stainless steel appliances. It features a fast-acting formula that breaks down stains in just seconds. Simply spray Easy Off on and wait while it dissolves away stubborn stains so you can wipe them away without scraping or harsh scrubbing, for external use only. No known significant effects or critical hazards. Read label before use. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away and have product container or label at hand. When using this product, avoid contact with eyes. In case of eye contact, flush with water. Last in this list is Crud Cutter Kitchen Degreaser. Crud Cutter lives up to its name. It will remove grease on any household surface with a fast-acting, non-toxic formula. It leaves behind no residue, giving your surfaces a new shiny look. Just spray and wipe and you're done. This cleaner is EPA certified, a great eco-friendly solution for your home and kitchen messes. Crud Cutter has delivered quality products with powerful results. Putting the customer and environment first, Crud Cutter perfected a line of safe cleaning products that really work. Products contain the safest ingredients possible. Crud Cutter Kitchen Degreaser All-Purpose Cleaner is tough on grease, non-toxic and safe to use on food prep areas. Breaks down grease and grime without the use of bleach, ammonia or other harsh chemicals. Ready-to-use formula is versatile enough to use as an all-purpose cleaner for countless surfaces in your home.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you. Beside top 5 product list, we also share special discount code every week. So to save money, don't forget to subscribe us. You can also visit our website for more updated guide and tips. Goodbye.